Hello everyone. 25 days down. Your skills are sharper, your projects are more complex, and today we are going to prove how far you've come. We are here to recap everything you've accomplished during the last 15 days of your 100 Days of Code challenge. It's day 25. So first things first, let's celebrate. You've committed your time and effort, and you've reached this important milestone. That's no small achievement. If you're new here and just passing by, welcome. You're more than welcome to stay with us, but I recommend starting with the D0 setup video. Once you've completed your first 25 projects, come back to this recap and track your progress. Now, for those of you who have made it to day 25, how are you feeling? You've been showing up consistently, putting in time and effort every day. You've built projects, solved problems, and pushed through frustration. That work is starting to pay off. We are almost at the end of the beginner section of this challenge. You've been practicing through repetition, but with new challenges every day to keep pushing your skills forward. In this video, we are going to do 3 things. First, I will give you a quick recap of the key concepts you've been working on. Second, I will help you reflect on your progress and identify areas that have clicked for you. Third, I will share 2 ideas to help you review your progress and expand your developer toolbox moving forward. Let's start by reviewing what you've accomplished so far. It's easy to overlook your own progress when you are focused on daily practice, but trust me, you've already come a long way. exciting to look back on the past 15 days and see how much you've built and learned. For this first important step, I have 3 suggestions for you. The first is simple but powerful. Just like we did on day 10, go back through all the MDN links provided during your projects. Even if you've seen them before, take the time to review them. Repetition builds mastery. Pay attention to the moments when new concepts were introduced and make sure you've experimented with each one before moving forward. To help you, I've prepared a short list with key ideas. First, let's review the HTML concepts. You can pause the video now if you want to read through them carefully. Next, we'll go over the CSS concepts. Again, feel free to pause and take your time with these. Finally, we'll look at the JavaScript concepts. Don't worry if some of these still feel unfamiliar. You can always revisit earlier projects to practice them again. The second thing I want you to do is reflect on your progress. Ask yourself, what's clicking? Which concepts once felt confusing, but now feel more intuitive? Take a moment to be proud of what you've accomplished. If you feel comfortable, share a screenshot or video of one of your recent projects on your social profiles. Show your friends, your family, or even fellow learners a project where you feel you've made real progress. Next, revisit the list of challenges you wrote down around day 10. Which blockers are still causing headaches? Are new, more advanced challenges starting to appear? Maybe you're struggling with JavaScript event handling, CSS positioning, or manipulating the DOM efficiently. Use the same deliberate practice strategy we discussed before. First, choose one major blocker from your list. Second, dedicate focused time to understanding and practicing that specific concept. Third, repeat the process until it finally clicks. If you've had an aha moment or a breakthrough recently, I would love to hear about it. Feel free to leave a comment and share your experience. The third thing I recommend is building awareness of your external resources. Start noting down all the helpful resources you've discovered during your projects. That might include icons, images, sounds, color palettes, or useful links you've used beyond the MDN documentation. The more advanced your projects become, the more important it is to know how to find solutions and unblock yourself. Getting better at using developer resources will help you solve problems, create your own project variations, and ultimately become a more independent coder. The time you invest now in learning how to troubleshoot and research will make a huge difference in your long-term coding skills. Those small skills compound over time, building your confidence and autonomy. I will let you take some time to reflect on these ideas, and again, congratulations on reaching day 25. Not everyone sticks with a challenge like this, but you've shown up consistently. Be proud of that. As always, take things at your own pace. If a project takes you several days, that's perfectly okay. It's better to slow down, understand what you are doing, and build strong foundations now. The time you invest in understanding the basics will make you faster and more effective down the road. Every small win fuels your motivations and keeps you moving forward. Congratulations again on reaching the end of day 25. You've earned it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment with your progress. We are all in this together. Happy coding and see you soon.